Hello, in front of me I have Apple Watch Series 6 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the airplane mode on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the side button or tap on the screen. Then swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen to open the control panel. Here scroll down, you can use the digital crown or swipe on the screen. Find the airplane mode icon, tap on it to enable it, and tap on it again to disable it. You can also use your phone app to enable the airplane mode. So let's place our phone right here. Open the watch app on our iPhone. In the app, let's scroll down, select General. Here we have airplane mode option. Let's tap on it. And we have mirror iPhone setting. We can enable it. Now, when we enable the airplane mode on our phone or on our watch, it's gonna be enabled on our other device. So basically it's gonna enable, if you enable it on the watch, it's gonna enable on the phone and vice versa. And that's how you enable the airplane mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.